Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be reviewing a Kylie Jenner collection that came out some time ago. And you might have seen it around. This is the Leopard collection that she came out with some time ago. I didn't buy the whole entire collection. I bought a few pieces. And so it's been out for a while already. I just haven't had a chance to use it. So just recently, I want to say maybe about 2-3 weeks ago, I was able to use it a couple times. So I've kind of already developed a thought and opinion on this collection. So I thought I'd let you know my thoughts on it. So I did end up buying the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter. This is her lip kit, and 2 eyeshadow crayons. So what really intrigued me when I first saw this through my Instagram theme was the whole leopard theme. Thought it was so pretty, and I'm a browns warm tone type of girl. At times there's other times too I like very colorful makeup, but this really intrigued me. Just the whole theme and the swatches, just the whole entire collection was just so pretty. So I love the packaging. The lettering comes with glitter. It's really glittery. It's embossed, and I really like her outfit. It just screams out sexiness. So I really like it. So there's 14 eyeshadows in this palette, and this is really pretty. Again, there's glitter, and I love brownsy type of colors, and that's one of the things that really intrigued me to it. It's just bronzy brown. So the palette does come with a mirror, and I'll show you the eyeshadows. Look at this beautifulness. I really love how they coordinated this color story with this theme. It really screams out safari, like I mean, these brown tones, brick red tones. They're just really pretty. I love these yellows here. They go so well with the theme, and the gold. It's just beautiful. So the colors that I have on for this eyeshadow look here, I used this one here is my transition. I used this one on the crease and on the lid as well. I used this one on the outer corner and on the crease. And I used this on the outer corner to darken it and give it more of a smoky look on the corner, outer corner. And I put this beautiful bronzy coppery glitter. It's not shimmer, it's pressed glitter. And I put this on the lid, and oh my god, did it really bring out this lid color here that I put on. It looks beautiful. And that's what I have on. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter, but I'll move in a little closer so you guys can see it. It just really made that eye look really pop with that under color. It's just so pretty. I really love it. Oh, I forgot to mention, one of the things that I was really like wowed is when I saw this white eyeshadow here. Because on top of giving you a beautiful color story that goes perfectly with the theme, they put in a white one to really complement or highlight the eyebrow bone with every color that you may be doing. So I thought that was really smart of them to put a white color to kind of highlight the eyebrow for any of the colors that you choose to make out of this palette. So yeah, I just thought I had to mention that there. All right, so I'm going to be swatching them for you really quick here. All right, look how pretty those are. See how pigmented they are? But you know what? Let's do the swatch here. but look for yourself. Can you see? I'm just hoping you could see it. It looks really pigmented. My God, guys, look. Look how gorgeous that is. This is the pressed glitter that I have on my lid. Look how gorgeous that is. That is so pretty. Look at these. Oh, I love the combination. This one's sort of like a mustardy yellow. And these are the last three. Right here on the inner corner, I used her eyeshadow crayons, which are these two. I used only one of them, but these are gorgeous. So this is one of the eyeshadow crayons. And look how it looks. That is how it looks. So this one is more of like a yellowy gold. And it's perfect with her theme. And I'll show you. You can see, look how pretty that is. That is so pretty for an inner color. On the inner corner here. And this one is called Can't Tame Me. That is so cute too. Can't Tame Me. Perfect. This other eyeshadow crayon here is called Born to Be Wild. So yeah. Now this is the one I have on. It's a little more taupey, like brown and gold in between. Really, really pretty. And that's what I put on right here. Just really, really pretty. And I'll swatch this one for you here. Look how pretty that is. It's got such a beautiful reflection, like foil-like. So pretty. Yeah, so I'm loving them. So now I'll show you the highlighter. Again, I love the packaging. It's so pretty. And this highlighter is called Hear Me Roar. Now the packaging here looks kind of simple, but I like that it's a little bronzy, the lettering. It's a nice reflective bronze color. But other than that, the casing is pretty simple. It does come with a compact mirror as well. And so this is the highlighter. It's got these like leopard shape type shapes in there. Very pretty too. Look how shiny that is. See if you could see it there. And I actually have this one on. You could see it there. Really pretty. And this is the lip kit. And this one is called Can't Be Tamed. I love the naming. She did such a great job naming these products. So these are the two items inside the lip kit. And that's what I have on too. I love the color. Goes so well with the look. This is the lip pencil. And I will swatch it here for you. Just this one here. And we'll swatch this one as well. Oh, it's perfect. Look at that. They were made for each other. So when I first used it 3 weeks ago, the look stayed on all day. And it was just as vibrant as it was from the morning to the evening. The color pigmentation was there. So I've been really happy with her collections, her makeup. It's just good quality in my opinion. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified of upcoming videos, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right, so thanks so much for joining me. I had so much fun giving you guys my thoughts and opinions on this palette that I've tried, this collection, which I really like, and I would highly recommend it if you like those type of colors, and if you like her, definitely if you like her. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you soon in a different video. Bye.